Hello students, today we are going to learn about relation, right? The very first chapter of our maths for 12th standard. Okay. Now in this lecture we will cover ordered pair, Cartesian product and relation. Okay. So what is an ordered pair? In coordinate geometry you must have learnt about these pair xy, where x represents the point of x-axis and y represents the point of y-axis, right? And plotting x and y together is basically a two-dimensional thing where we do like this, x and y, plotting xy points, okay, using x and y points, right? So this pair is known as ordered pair. This was the very first ordered pair that we have already learned, right? We never write this pair as yx. This is my wrong representation, right? So we always write the pair as xy, not yx. So this is known as my ordered pair. Now let us understand in general terms what is my ordered pair. So suppose there are two sets. Set we already know. Suppose there are two sets A and B, right? In A we have element like 1, 2, 3. B suppose X, Y and Z, right? So ordered pair is defined as basically that first element should come from the first set and second element should come from the second set. So if we say the ordered pair of A and B, it will be like 1 x, 1 y, 1 z. Similarly 2x, 2y, 2z, and we can write it for 3 also, right? So these are the examples of ordered pair where we have taken the first element from the first set and the second element of every pair will be from second set. Okay, so this in this manner we can write the ordered pair. Now where this ordered pair is required or where we will use this ordered pair, so we have a second concept here, which is Cartesian product. Okay, now suppose these two sets, we will use this example only. Suppose we want to write A cross B. This is known as my Cartesian product. In sets we know this term as Cartesian product. What is the meaning of A cross B? A cross B means we can write it in a statement like it will be an ordered pair of A and B where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B, right? So my Cartesian product is defined as A cross B if set A is multiplied, or we are doing Cartesian product of A and B where set A is my first set. So all the elements will form an ordered pair where the first element will come from set A and the second element will come from set B. So in this case my ordered pair will be like 1x, 1y, 1z, correct? 2x, 2y and 2z. Similarly 3x, 3y and 3z. This is my complete Cartesian product of A cross B. Now remember, if A has m elements and B has n elements, so in Cartesian product we have m cross or m multiplied by n elements. So here in A we had 3 elements, this also has 3 elements, so total ordered pair in A cross B is what? 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9, right? So this is already my Cartesian product. Now if we do a reverse Cartesian product, means B cross A. So what is the final answer? It will be like BA, the order pair will get reverse. B belongs to B and A belongs to A. So my answer will be x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z3, right? Now 1x doesn't mean x1, means 1x is not equal to x1, right? Both the ordered pairs are different. Hence we can say that A cross B is not necessarily equal to B cross A. It can be equal to. It can be equal to when all the elements of A and B are same. If I write B also as 1, 2, 3, then we will get the same value. A cross B will be equal to B cross A. But as general, we know that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Now let us come to my third point, which is a relation, right? Relation basically what? It is defined in between two sets. It is also defined in between two sets, A and B, and this element of A is related to element of B in some manner, right? Here there is no relation. There is randomly taken value, 1x, 2x kind of thing. There is no relation between 1 and x, 2 and y kind of thing. But let us take an example where we can define one relation, right? Suppose we take B as 1, 4 and 9. Okay, now we can define one relation, that the element of B is basically what? Square of element of A. 1 is the square of 1, 4 is square of 2 and 9 is square of 3. So here A is related to B. We write all the relations in this manner, that A and B are related, so we write ARB, right? So ARB is what? It is defined as AB ordered pair, where A belongs to what? A and B belongs to B. This is till my Cartesian product. Now we need one more thing, that such that you can write it such that B is equal to A square. Now this is my condition which will decide which pair will come in this relation, right? This is known as a relation. So my answer will be, if we simply find out the Cartesian product, there will be 9 pairs, but if we follow this relation, it will be like 1, 1, 2, 4 and 3, 9. Right? So in this relation we have only 3 pairs. So we can say that ARB is basically what? A subset of A cross B, right? In Cartesian product we don't bother about whether they are following any relation or not. We just make an ordered pair, right now. So in here, if I calculate A cross B, it will be 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 9, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 9, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 9. All the elements of A will be paired up with all the elements of B. But in relation, the condition should be satisfied, right? So only 3 pairs are there where this condition is satisfied, hence only Hence, A or B is a subset of A cross B. Right? This is a notation of relation, and this is my definition of relation.